If you clicked on this video, then chances are you may be wondering, is affiliate marketing dead? Maybe you want to start making money with affiliate marketing. Maybe you're working a job right now and you're struggling to produce the income you truly want, or maybe you just are sick and tired of that job and you want to be able to quit it and just work from home, do the things you want to do with the people you love doing it with, and you think affiliate marketing is possibly a good business model for you to start making income. But you want to know, is it actually still working in 2021? Is it working? Is it worth putting your time, effort, possibly money into this affiliate marketing model, right? Well, that's what I'm going to cover inside this video. If you don't know me already, my name's Garrett Barry. I've been online full-time with affiliate marketing for over 5 years now. And what I want to share with you is that when I first got started, there were a lot of different ways to make money online, and maybe you can relate. There were surveys. You could start, you could sell items on Craigslist. You could then, sell other people's products like affiliate marketing. The first thing I want to share with you is that the ability to make money promoting other people's products, which is called affiliate marketing, is never going to go away. Okay, so if you're worried about, hey, I'm learning how to post on Facebook, I'm learning how to, promote people's products on Instagram, is that going to die off, right? Is that going to ever go away? And the big answer is no, right? People are always going to be making products. People are always going to be, rewarding other people with money for promoting their products. So you don't have to worry about that. But is affiliate marketing harder in 2021? And is it worth actually doing? Well, that's what I want to cover in this video. In fact, what I want to share with you is that affiliate marketing is a little bit more competitive now. You have more people studying it. The keyword affiliate marketing on Google and YouTube, the interest is constantly rising, okay? Because even we had the quarantine with COVID and people would go home and they'd try to research affiliate marketing. So you do have an influx, you do have a rise of people that are starting to learn affiliate marketing. But what I want to share with you in this video is, as you follow me, I'm going to share with you my 4-step affiliate marketing formula that you can actually use to avoid the pitfalls and actually prosper with affiliate marketing in 2021 and moving on in the future, okay? So the first thing I want to share with you is that when you go to promote a product on affiliate marketing, maybe you're just starting and you've never made a single dollar online promoting other people's products, or maybe you've made some money, but you're struggling to really grow and scale. These 4 steps in this formula are going to be for you. And the very first one is you want to pick one main traffic source and master it. And what do I mean by traffic? What I mean is, when you go to promote a product with affiliate marketing, we need people or eyeballs to hit our affiliate sales page. And the more people that see that, the more qualified people that see that are going to decide to buy, and that's how we're able to actually make money. So how do we actually focus on one main traffic source, and why is that important? It's important because so many people, when they go to start affiliate marketing, listen to too many people. One person tells them to focus on Instagram. Instagram is a gold mine. It's so easy. So you start to learn Instagram, right? And this has happened to me so many times. Then maybe after a couple days or a week, you get an email from another marketer, another guru, right, that tell you, hey, stay away from Instagram, right? You need to do Facebook. Facebook is incredible. And you go, okay, well, I was just getting some momentum, but let me switch over to Facebook. And then that hamster wheel of constantly switching, constantly never seeing something through. What you need to do is focus on one main traffic source. And it doesn't matter what it is. It could be solo ads. It could be Facebook. It could be Instagram, TikTok. Okay, you want to pick one. And then what I want to suggest you do is you drill down your niche, okay? Because the riches are in the niches with affiliate marketing. And rather than, just doing, let's say on Instagram, teaching people how to make money online, well, tons and tons of people on Instagram are doing that. And it is, going to be very difficult to do affiliate marketing. And you may think that it's dying, right? Hey, I'm posting affiliate marketing, or I'm posting make money online, information, tips, things like that on Instagram. I'm not getting any traction. The skill and the key is to drill down that niche. So maybe you're a guy from 18 to 34 years old. Maybe you're in America. Just a hypothetical example. Well, you could target other people, right? So maybe you could do make money for young adults, okay? And your whole page could be about, hey, if you're a young adult, maybe you're in college, maybe you're, wanting to drop out of college and make money from home, whatever the case may be, but you can drill down. If you're in health and fitness, right? If you're doing a product, rather than trying to target everyone, you could just focus on, teaching people how to do keto diets, for example, right? Rather than the entire health and fitness, now you're in a specific niche. So that's gonna eliminate a lot of competition, because the smaller the niche, the less competition, right? Now, my second tip for you is, rather than going out there and trying to create your own funnel and create your own website and emails and follow-ups and stuff like that, you wanna find a high converting funnel, okay, with the affiliate program or product you're promoting, and just send your traffic to that. Because again, in my journey, I found that tons and tons of people struggle, including myself for a very long time, at how to write effective sales copy, right? How to create your website, how to hook it up with an email autoresponder. So what you can do is you can actually find, affiliate systems out there that give you the done for you capture pages. They give you the high converting sales videos. They follow up with your leads for you through automated emails. So you can literally just send people to your link, in about an hour to 30 minutes a day, depending on the strategy you use. And the rest of the day, you can be out with your friends and family. You can be, eating at a nice restaurant. You can be relaxing in your ideal vacation spot and still be generating affiliate commissions as those emails go out for you on your behalf. Now, before I continue to the other two powerful tips, if you want access to a free video revealing my #1 affiliate system that beginners, people that have struggled, people that want to scale very quickly are using, go down to the first link under the description and check that out. That's going to share with you exactly how to get access to a done-for-you website, follow-up emails, all that, so you can just focus on sending traffic. My third tip for you is, whatever affiliate system, whatever affiliate products you're actually promoting, can you offer bonuses, right? Bonuses, giving people that buy from you extra resources, extra training, extra tools, is an incredible way to increase your sales, okay? So what I started doing was I started putting together, bonus packages, and I would say to people on YouTube or on my Facebook, hey, if you join me today, you're gonna be able to access XYZ, right? You're gonna be able to access my Facebook training or so-and-so's Facebook training, right? You can actually find PLR, private label right products, for free online. These are basically products that are already created for you that you can just give away as bonuses. So you don't even have to create them yourself. But that's what you want to start to do. You want to start to give away this stuff, because people will join people that give them the most bonuses, right? The most incentives. And you can actually give people a fear of loss to make sales faster. You can say, hey, if you join by tonight, if you join by tomorrow at 12 a.m. Eastern time, then you can access these bonuses. But if you wait, you're gonna lose out forever, right? So that scarcity, that motivation will get people buying very quickly. And my last tip in this 4-step formula for you, so you can actually start to still make affiliate marketing work, is you wanna scale about 30% of your profits. You wanna reinvest that back into your traffic, okay? So as you go out there, you start to focus on one main traffic source, so you can really dominate with that one, put your blinders on and focus. You're gonna start to send that to a done-for-you funnel that's already high converting. You may offer some bonuses to get people to take action now. And what you wanna do is, as you start making affiliate commissions, take about 30% of your profit, if you're really serious about scaling fast, and reinvest that back into traffic. So if you were already doing paid traffic, take that 30% and spend it here so you can go down the line. Or if maybe your strategy you focus on was free marketing, like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, you can start another traffic source that's paid advertising, taking the 30% and reinvesting it back, okay? So this is what you wanna do. I highly recommend you just start with affiliate marketing, use these formula, okay? Affiliate marketing is what I found to be the easiest way to make a significant amount of income online. Don't listen to people that say it's dead. It's never gonna go away, but you need to use this formula so you can still make money with it in 2021 and beyond. Anyway, my friend, if you got value, you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step training videos, be sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't already and the bell icon so you're always notified of my weekly videos. And last but not least, be sure to get access to the free video under this video in the description. You can actually check that out, a full overview of the affiliate system, so you can start to produce commissions even on autopilot. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.